It will sweep you away faster than what you can realize.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another fishing video here on the channel. It's gonna be a real interesting day out today. It is pouring, I mean pouring, and the rain has been off and on for the past 3 and 4 days. Straight downfalls, guys. We've got like 4 or 5 inches of rain. It's been nuts. Today we're gonna meet up with a buddy I met on social media. I really haven't met the guy in person, but he seems like a cool dude. Met him on Instagram. Dude's name's James, and he's from the Milton area, I'm pretty sure. I'm gonna go meet him up here at the lake, and we're gonna go see if we can catch some fish in these flooded conditions. Floods are gonna be hitting this area really hard here in West Virginia, so our time is now to get out and try to make something happen. See if we can do it. On each side right there is where you hold on to put your boat on. I wonder if I should be jigging right now. Got him. It's nice.
Ready?
I'm ready. Yes, sir. That's a good one. Yes, sir. The jig. No way. It was a fish all along. Ooh, she's 3.5 all day. Heck yeah, dude. Nice. We got something figured out right there.
It's not a bad fish at all.
Nice, not at all. We're throwing that on the scale. We're gonna get a scale weight. Today I have 5 fish, definitely.
I thought that was a bite. Dude, look at the crushers. How red they are.
It's unreal. They're feeding heavy.
Solid
Let me
fish.
cancel this out real quick.
I don't see that pretty as dirty as it is.
I have no clue. That fish is pretty green. His jaw is weird over here. You notice that?
Yeah, it's thick.
It's thick. Right here it's not.
Fish would lose a fight.
It's just 359.
359.
It's a solid one. Locked it in. Yeah, it's a solid one. Heck yeah, dude. I thought she was going down.
I thought she was too.
That was nice, dude.
Thanks for
Heck
taking me
yeah.
out, dude.
Oh, for sure, dude.
Oh my god.
That's not it. I know. Yeah, it looks a lot better, don't it? Recording for that fish. Oh, I hate freaking GoPros, dude. You know how many times that'll happen?
It's cookie cutter, right?
There's a cookie cutter. Yeah. Oh, holy crap.
35 and 50.
Oh my gosh. Yes, sir. Oh no. No, you're good, man. I should have scooped out and got it. I was reaching down to turn my GoPro back on. Oh! Keep it on. Keep it on. Keep it on. That's a giant. A couple down there. That's a good one, dude. Yeah.
Get ready.
Yes, sir. It's a fatty.
Oh my god.
Just straight basketballs. Oh my gosh, dude. Oh my god. It's a straight tub. That's a fatty. Oh, is it?
Yeah, you said
That's a 4-pounder. 4-1.
4-1. A fatty for a 4-1.
That's an 18-inch 4-pounder. Jesus. It'll happen, dude. We just figured something out. That's not even with the culverts. This is gonna get nasty, dude. This is gonna get nasty. This is. Oh my gosh, they're eating good, son.
Look at the belly.
Look at the bellies on these fish. Swim jig just hanging out. Dude, look at the belly on that fish.
Look how pretty he is.
Like this, oh my gosh. 397, these fish are so fat. 1900. The only thing that's bad about this fun board is when it gets so wet, they slide like crazy.
Dude, that's such a picture perfect fish.
Yeah. We got another chunk in the boat, y'all.
Hey, dude, we're touching a 20-pound bag.
Yeah, I got a feeling it might happen. It'll happen one day. I've been waiting for it. My time's due soon. That's a giant. That's a giant. That was huge. That was a giant. The thing was pulling hard.
You need to throw extra heavy rod.
Might as well.
Pump on mine because I thought the pump was bad, but it was a carburetor that was fouled.
Oh yeah. I can't believe that's out in the water. That's a big one.
Ready?
That's a big one. Yes, sir. No way. I'm glad we came back here. That might go 6. That might go 6. Dude. Yes, sir, dude. No way.
He ate that?
Right off the rip. Was that first cast with that?
No.
Oh my gosh.
Dude, we were rolling. I cast right in front of that bush, and I was reeling it back fast, and it went wham and hit it off the top of the wall.
It's a giant. It's 5.62. Still a giant, though. Hold on 1 second. I'm gonna walk it. 5.64. 5.64. That's a young fish too. The head on it's smaller. Yeah, dude, that's a young fish.
Oh, dude.
That is a tank. That is a chunk.
21.
You were on him today on the slide, ain't you?
Oh my god, look at that fish, dude.
Giant. Yes, sir. All right, man. We'll get back at it again. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. 359, 269, 414, 395, 564. Biggest was 564. That puts a 2002.